time for an adventure lab. G'day guys, Seemyshell, the Aussie geocacher. Guess what? 2 brand new Adventure Lab series came out close to home. Well, 2.5 hours from home, which is close enough. Let's go find them. So waypoint 1 so far has been quite easy, nice, easy, a good sort of Adventure Lab sort of style. Waypoint 2 though, another story. Okay, this Adventure Lab takes me up to Muttonbird Island, and right there is all the Muttonbird burrows, and they're all over the place. You probably hear me puffing. Why? That's the view. Well, number 1, I'm unfit. Number 2, that is the view. Oh. So there you have it, FTF completed, yes, on an Adventure Lab. There was 5 waypoints in total. Even though I had an issue with the waypoint 2, that's all overcome and it's all sorted now. I can do my little happy dance, my FTF dance, yes. And of course, what a location to end. Have a look at this beautiful location, and of course the end location talks about the whales and their migration up and down the coast. Stunning, beautiful, gorgeous. You like these videos, why not subscribe? Click that little button down there and don't forget the little bell so you get notifications every single time I do a new video. Meanwhile, I'm just going to enjoy the peace and quiet I'm having out.